This is Dr. Revati. Today we are going to discuss about change of variables from Cartesian to polar coordinates. Now today I am going to discuss about this example of the problem, that is integral 0 to a integral 0 to root of a square minus y square into x square plus y square dx dy by change of variables into Cartesian to polar coordinates. Now once again I can write the given problem, that is given that integral of 0 to a, again integral of 0 to root of a square minus y square x square plus y square into dx dy. Next here the x limits are, here x equals to 0 to a and y equals to 0 to root of a square minus x square, sorry, a square minus y square. Suppose if x equals to, sorry, y equals to 0, then x equals to a, then x equals to a. Next here we have to take, sorry, y equals to 0 and y equals to a, x equals to 0 to root of a square minus x square. Suppose if y equals to 0, then x equals to a, y equals to a, then x equals to 0. Next in this problem, this is here change of variables, and also this problem here change of variables into polar coordinates. In this given problem, here area means in the plane x square plus y square, that is suppose here x equals to root of a square minus y square, squaring on both sides, x square equals to a square minus y square, that is we have to write x square plus y square equals to a square. Okay, or here write x square plus y square equals to a square. Next and also given the line also, that is here y equals to a, this is y equals to a line, and this is y axis and this is x axis. Here 0 comma 0, this is these points are 0 comma a, and here these points are a comma 0. Okay, now here we have to find out this area, and also here change of variables into Cartesian to polar coordinates. That is we have to substitute here x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. Next dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Okay, now here write find the area. A equals to here integral of, and also limits also here convert r and theta. Therefore limits means r equals to 0 to a and theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, here 0 to a and 0 to pi by 2. Here r limits are 0 to a and theta limits are 0 to pi by 2. Here we have to substitute in place of x means r cos theta. Here x square means r square cos square theta plus y square means r square sin square theta. Next dx dy means r dr d theta. Okay, next here integral of 0 to a, again integral of 0 to pi by 2. In this both terms r square is there, then remove the common here r square into sin square theta plus cos square theta into r dr d theta. Next of all, here write next that equals to integral of 0 to a, again integral of 0 to pi by 2. In this sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That is trigonometrical formula. Already know this. Sin square plus cos square theta means 1. Therefore here r square into r dr d theta into r dr d theta. Next of all, here integral of 0 to a, again integral of 0 to pi by 2 r cube 0 to pi by 2 r cube dr d theta. In this 0 to pi by 2 means with respect to d theta. Here integration with respect to theta. Next r cube dr means here integration of with respect to r. Okay, r cube means here r cube means r power 4 by 4. Here r limits are 0 to a into remaining d theta and again 0 to pi by 2. Next here limits, substitute the limits in place of substitute the limits, that equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2, integral of 0 to pi by 2. In place of r means a. First of all, substitute here upper limit and lower limit. Therefore, a power 4 by 4, a power 4 by 4 into d theta. Next, here a power 4 by 4 means constant. Remove the constant right in front of the integral, that is a power 4 by 4 integral of 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Next of all, here integrating d theta means theta. Okay, write a power 4 by 4 integral of d theta means theta. Again substituting the limits 0 to pi by 2. So here next means a power 4 by 4 into, first of all substitute in place of theta upper limit pi by 2 and lower limit minus 0. Therefore here pi by 2. This means pi a power 4 by 16. This is pi a power 4 by, sorry, here pi by 2, pi a power 4 by 8. Answer is pi a power 4 by 8. Here pi a power 4 by 8 means the solution of the given double integral a to a integral 0 to a integral 0 to root of a square minus x square into x square plus y square dx dy by change of variables into Cartesian to polar coordinates. Okay, thank you.